I'm back with another video. In today's video, let's learn on how to become a registered pharmacist in Ireland. Do you also want to become a pharmacist in Ireland but studied out of European Union? No worries, let me explain it to you on how to do it step by step. Step 1. Get your qualifications recognized in Ireland. First, you need to get your pharmacy qualifications recognized in Ireland by submitting an application form and sending in your documents like ID card and declaration form and pay about 1500 euros. If you are from UK and qualified before 2021, then there might be a quicker process for you. Step 2. Equivalence exam. Next, you need to take equivalence exam, which has two parts: written exam online and OSCE 12 stations where you will face real life pharmacy situations. If you pass, you move on to the next step. If not, you'll need bit more training. Step 3. Adaptation period if required. If your qualifications need a little more work, you'll have to take adaptation period, which is basically a little more training for 6 months to 3 years. Once you're done, you can take the next step. Step 4. Professional registration exam. After you have got everything sorted, it's time for the professional registration exam. It happens twice a year. Once you pass this exam, you are one step closer to becoming a registered pharmacist in Ireland. Step 5. Prove your English skills. You can prove your English skills through your degree or work experience or by taking exams like IELTS or TOEFL. And the final step, registration. Once you pass the professional registration exam, you will get a certificate and then you can apply for registration as a pharmacist in Ireland via the PSI portal. So that's the whole process. I know it's a lot of steps, but don't stress out. You'll get there. And if you want more information on how to become a pharmacist in Ireland, don't worry, we have a free workshop on this December 22nd. So stay tuned and register with Elite Express. Good luck!